In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit GoDaddy. Making the decision to close an account can sometimes be a daunting task, but I'm here to help you navigate this process smoothly and efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to close your GoDaddy account in just a few straightforward steps. First, let's get started by visiting GoDaddy's website. You'll need to sign in using your existing credentials. This is the very first step necessary to access your account settings. Make sure you have your login details handy. If you have trouble remembering your password, GoDaddy has a simple password recovery process to help you out. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see your initials or an avatar image. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select Account Settings. This is your gateway to managing different aspects of your GoDaddy account, and it's crucial for making sure you have full control over your data and preferences. Now, from the left sidebar in the Account Settings area, look for the option labeled Contact Preferences. This is another important section where you can manage how GoDaddy interacts with you. However, for closing the account, it acts as a step towards accessing the relevant settings you need. As you scroll through these settings, focus on navigating to the bottom of the Contact Preferences page. There, you'll find an important link or button that simply says Account. Clicking on this will lead you to the crucial steps needed to close your account. When you reach the Account page, you'll see a message regarding the closure of your account. This message is essential as it outlines the terms and implications of closing your account. It's important to read the entire message thoroughly. Understanding this message ensures you are aware that this action is permanent and cannot be undone. In this section, there is a checkbox next to a statement that reads, "I understand this action cannot be undone." Make sure to check this box, which indicates your acknowledgement of the information provided. After acknowledging this, you'll see the option to select Close Account. Clicking this will initiate the closure process. If you have no products left in your account, you'll receive a success message confirming that your account is officially closed. However, if there are products still tied to your account, you'll be reminded to delete these products first. It's important to clear these out, and once completed, you'll need to wait at least 24 hours before you can attempt to close your account again. And there you have it. Following these steps will allow you to effectively close your GoDaddy account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.